Today, I am taking ice cream and I'm deep frying it in a big pot of oil. Yes, that's right, deep fried ice cream. Over here, I have two types of ice cream. We have our vanilla ice cream and our chocolate ice cream. Now, just take a big ice cream scoop and grab yourself some nice big scoops of ice cream. We don't want little scoops of ice cream. We want big scoops of ice cream, and just place them down right onto your sheet. Grab your other scoop and let's go into our vanilla, just doing the exact same. Now you can of course do this with whatever type of ice cream you would like. Just scooping that out right on there. And now I'm gonna get myself a bunch of scoops. This is fun to make for a crowd. You know, everyone is used to eating in the summer normal ice cream, so it's time to switch it up. You know, make your guests have a fun time. Let them not just eat normal ice cream, but deep fried ice cream. You have the warmth of the fried outside with the freezing cold inside. It is the perfect dessert to eat in the summer that will wow your guests, and you know, you'll be the whole talk of the town. All right, this was just back in the freezer to get nice and solid. Now just take your ice cream and we're just gonna do a standard breading procedure. This is just some flour. Then after our flour, we're just gonna go straight into our egg. Now that egg is what's gonna become our glue. Now that flour sticks to the wetness of the ice cream, the egg sticks to the dryness of the flour, and then drain that off. And then we go straight here into the breadcrumbs, and that is our exterior coating. That is gonna get nice and crispy. That's what's gonna actually touch the oil, while the inside stays nice and cold and frozen. The outside is gonna get crispy. This is gonna be the fastest frying process you have ever seen in your life. Our oil is nice and hot. Let's check on our oil. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. We want our oil to be at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see. Oh, we're at 365. We're almost there. Now chocolate right over here. Now exact same procedure, just into our bit of flour, then our egg goes all over there. You gotta be very quick. This is a quick process. We don't want our ice cream to melt. And then finally we go right here into our breadcrumbs, just getting that nice and covered just like that. Now our oil should be hot. It is time to fry. Okay, ready for it. Into the oil. And now you want to fry this very, very quickly. We're talking like 30 seconds, super duper quick. Our oil's nice and hot. We're at 380 degrees. That's perfect. And now the key is you want to fry this before the ice cream melts and starts to leak out. Okay. Oh God. Okay, let's try again. That was maybe a little too long. Ready, into the oil. Fry, very quick. Very quick, just get that going very quick. Okay, all right. Okay, we're frying. So far we're good over here. No leaking. Want the outside to get golden brown, and it should be done. Yep, that one was better. Look at that, a nice golden brown coating on the outside, and you can just fry them all up. It's gonna kind of be like, you know, you usually love to have ice cream because it's nice and creamy and cold. You have the crunchiness of a cone. This kind of has a crunchy cone built right into it. All righty, let's give it a try. A little bit of ice cream, a little bit of our crunchy. Oh my God, the warmth of the outside with that freezing cold. Oh, I have a brain freeze. Oh my God. I mean, it's a delicious classic for a reason.